Britain has a new Prime Minister. And waiting outside number 10 wasn't just the media, it was Larry the cat. The chief mouser has officially welcomed his seventh Prime Minister since moving into Downing Street in 2011. And after the latest changing of the guard, Larry had just one thing to say. Classic Larry. Imagine being so good at your job that prime ministers come and go, governments collapse, elections happen, leaders resign, and you are the only one who never has to update your CV. Meet Larry, the Downing Street resident who recently corrected Donald Trump, issued a cheeky reminder to Andy Burnham about Christmas presents, and then probably went back to his nap. Safe to say, Britain's most permanent resident isn't a politician, it's a cat. Larry lives at 10th Downing Street, official title Chief Mouser, which is British for the government employee whose job is catching mice and silently judging politicians all day. Unlike every Prime Minister, Larry never campaigned, never gave a speech, and has never asked for votes. He simply turned up in 2011 and apparently decided, I'm staying. Since then, David Cameron came, Theresa May came, Boris Johnson came, Liz Truss came, Rishi Sunak came, Keir Starmer came, and now Andy Burnham. Meanwhile, Larry, still on the doorstep, still employed, still sleeping, and still completely unbothered. And here's the funny part. Larry's social media account has become almost as legendary as the cat himself. While Britain's politicians were busy changing, Larry had something much more important on his mind. No politics, no constitutional crisis, no comment on the new Prime Minister, just priorities. Because after surviving 7 Prime Ministers, Christmas presents clearly matter more. Then came Donald Trump. After Trump referred to Manchester as a town, Larry simply could not resist. He posted, "Can somebody please tell Trump that there are more than 30 cities and towns in the United States named after Manchester in England?" No press conference, no interview, no official statement. Just one sarcastic tweet and the internet loved it. At this point, Larry probably watches Prime Ministers arrive the way we watch Netflix. Oh, new season already? Imagine getting a new boss every couple of years. New speeches, new slogans, new promises. Meanwhile, you are still expected to catch mice. Eventually, even Larry must be thinking, guys, I just work here. He probably sees a moving truck outside number 10 and sighs. Another resignation. Must be Tuesday. Now let's talk about job security. Humans worry about layoffs, performance reviews, AI replacing jobs, but Larry, he is sitting on Britain's most secure government job. 7 prime ministers, 15 years, 0 resignations. No elections, no scandals, no confidence votes, no cabinet reshuffles, just snaps, the occasional rat, and unlimited job security. In fact, if experience counted, Larry should be Prime Minister by now. Forget His Excellency, call him His Majesty. Foreign leaders arrive at Downing Street, and instead of greeting politicians, they are greeted by Larry sitting on the doorstep like, state your business. And maybe Larry has figured out the secret to surviving politics. Don't argue on TV. Don't make impossible promises. Sleep 18 hours a day. Ignore everyone. Catch the occasional mouse, and whenever chaos erupts, pretend you're asleep. Honestly, that's probably a better strategy than what most politicians do. And after welcoming his 7th Prime Minister, Larry does not even pretend to remember all their names anymore. Fair enough. Because why memorize names when they will probably change before your next nap? So So the next time Britain gets another Prime Minister, remember this. Governments are temporary. Politicians are temporary. Even Prime Ministers are temporary. But Larry is forever. And somewhere inside number 10, he is probably watching another moving truck pull up, stretching, yawning, and thinking, another one bites the dust. Long live the Chief Mouser. And that's a wrap from my side. Thank you so much for watching. And I am Tamanna Akhtar signing off for Times Now Digital. Until next time, take care and keep watching this page for more such videos.